Hey guys, it's Amanda. What's up? I'm so excited for today's video. If you cannot tell by the green juicy sweater bitch, today we're doing a Christmas video. I'm doing a Christmas gift guide slash my wish list. But I am really excited for this because all of my videos are thrifting related, as we know, so you can't really go and buy anything I show in my videos, at least the exact thing. So this is gonna be a video with links. You're gonna be able to actually buy all of the things that I mentioned in this video. Okay, I feel like it wouldn't be obvious, but I love Christmas so much. Like, I'll be watching all of Bethany Moda's old Christmas videos. I'll be watching ASMR, Candle, Bath & Body Works Christmas role plays, okay, all season long. I already got my Bath & Body Works candles, shower gels, like, I don't know what's happening. I feel like I don't usually get this excited for Christmas, but I also just might be in denial. I feel like it's mandatory if you're a YouTuber to just like Christmas. Like, what else are you gonna make videos about through the months of November and December, you know? Like, that's all I'm trying to watch right now is Christmas videos. If I look at my subscription box and there's not a Christmas video, I'm just not clicking on it, you know? Anyways, this is basically things that I'm just currently loving, so I think you should ask for, and obviously things that I don't currently have but want. I have worked on this list for the last, like, 2 weeks, I wanna say, while listening to Christmas ASMR before bed to develop the perfect list for you guys and myself. Okay, let's fucking get into it. We're gonna start with something I don't normally do on my channel, which is makeup. During Christmas is when I kind of just ask for shit that I would never buy for myself. I don't change my makeup routine whatsoever. I do the same shit every single day. I've done the same shit for the last 4 years, same palettes, probably all expired. The first thing I'm asking for, which I feel like, again, is something that I don't know how I don't already have, and that is the Pillow Talk lip liner, bitch. I don't know how I don't already have that. I'm currently wearing a ColourPop lip liner in Chai. ColourPop is a great, cheaper alternative. Their lip liners are so good, so creamy as well. Next up is Velvet Teddy. I feel like I'm starting this video off on a good 2010 foot. The MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick I used to wear all the time, and then I lost it, and I just haven't bought it since I lost it, and that was like 3 years ago. MAC does sell the mini lipsticks, which I feel like I would honestly prefer, because who's ever finished like a full lipstick without losing it? Not me. So I'm asking for that. I just want to open that under my tree so badly. The Dior Lip Oil. How do I not have it? I don't know. Like, when I tell you I don't spend money on makeup, I just do not. So the Dior Lip Oil, I really like the shades Light Pink and Cherry. I know a lot of them are sold out. If you do not have the Laneige lip mask, if you've never had the luxury of using the little spatula and putting it on your lips before going to bed, you need to ask for this for Christmas. I'm trying to remember when I got mine. I think I honestly ordered it online last year, and I'm like not even half done. So it lasts so long, it's so moisturizing. Since I got it, I've never used any other lip product, like genuinely, not lip product, but like lip balm. It's just so moisturizing. Anything else I put on my lips just feels like a matte lipstick in comparison. Actually, part of my night routine, if I don't put it on before going to sleep, like, I'm not sleeping. At least I'm not sleeping well. The first thing in my accessories category is Shield sunglasses. If you've watched basically any of my lookbooks, if you follow me on Instagram, they're basically just glued to my face at all times, so maybe I shouldn't ask for more. I just always get my sunglasses and pretty much like any designer things off of The RealReal. It's such an easy look through. You literally just type in Shield sunglasses and there's hundreds. They're not that expensive. I think my Dior ones were like $120. However, if you do live in Canada, there is duties, unfortunately, and they're honestly like pretty expensive. I just ordered 2 pairs of boots off The RealReal and I paid like almost $50 in duties. So that's a little bit rough. Going on The RealReal is part of my night routine as well. And things sell so quickly. It's one of those where if you find something you like, you kind of have to buy it that day or the next day because it'll be gone. Next is a Stussy toque. Stussy has a chartreuse green one I really like. They have a white one that I really like. So I'm gonna be asking for that. I also asked for, they have like some socks on their website, and I really like this brown pair. Again, something I would just never buy for myself, but I know if I had them, I would love them. So I'm like, I'm just gonna throw those on the list. Leather gloves, I want so badly. I'm actually not asking for leather gloves just because I want to choose them out. But if you find a pair that you want, especially if they're new and you can give a link, I would definitely suggest asking for them. I just really have a vision of the exact ones I want, and I want to do it myself kind of thing. I'm saying like black leather gloves, long leather gloves, red leather gloves. I saw striped leather gloves the other day and I almost passed out. Also, I really want baby fat leather gloves. Next, earmuffs. I love earmuffs so much. Let me just give you a slideshow of all of the earmuffs I have. In my last lookbook, a lot of people were asking for the exact link to the earmuffs that I got, the white ones, but I actually don't know if they still sell the exact pair. If you go on Etsy and you search up like white earmuffs, black earmuffs, there's so many. Literally the dollar store has earmuffs, but if you want nice ones, like my white ones are nice. They're comfortable, they're so big, they're so warm. Go on Etsy and people hand make them. Shoes is probably the biggest category on my list this year. The first pair goes kind of without saying. I feel like if you know me, you already know what I'm gonna say. Or if you just watch my videos, maybe you know. Moon boots, okay? Like moon boots are really having their moment right now. They're such a unique piece that it's kind of like everyone's starting to wear them, but obviously I don't actually give a fuck. I like them, I'm gonna continue wearing them. I really want the short green pair. I love those so much. I also love the cream pair, but I know that that would get so dirty. Like Toronto is constantly just slush during the winter, so I would never be wearing white boots like that. The chartreuse green ones are amazing. I have the black ones. I have a whole moon boot lookbook if you want to see how I style them. I also styled them in my last lookbook, which I'll put right here. I'll link it down below as well. But yeah, moon boots are everything. They also came out with a new kind of boot this year, a new silhouette, and it's a rubber boot. It reminds me of Rick Owens quite a bit because of the lacing. I have a huge announcement to tell you guys, by the way, so I feel like that kind of plays a big role in the gifts I'm asking for, but I don't want to say anything yet because I don't want to jinx it. I also, like, it's a fucking huge announcement. It's probably so annoying, but like, bruh, like it's huge. So that definitely plays a huge, can I say huge another time? Plays a really big role in the gifts that I'm asking for and like not asking for. I feel like I have a story about every single item, but I really want to like let you guys know the tea. When I was buying moon boots, oh my gosh, I scoured the internet. Like I watched the weirdest reviews to figure out what size I would be. Because if you've never worn moon boots or you don't know, they sell them by like 3 sizes. Like one pair will be like size 34 to 37 and the next pair is like 37 to 41. So you just have to pick which one would fit you best. And I'm a size 8, okay? Like a classic standard size 8. I prefer my shoes to fit smaller. And the ones I got were the 37 to 41 and they're too big for me, honestly. Like they're still wearable, but I don't reach for them the way I wish I could reach for them. So it's kind of like a real gamble if I should try the smaller size because they're a lot smaller, but the rubber ones are actual sizes, so that kind of makes me want them a little bit more. Next thing I want so badly, Sunburst Uggs. I personally want the gray ones, the gray with the black Sherpa. The first time I saw the Sunburst Uggs was I think 2 years ago, and I really, really liked them. I think it was actually Eileen Kelly's friend in an Instagram story. And I was looking on eBay because I feel like they didn't sell them on the UGG website last year or the year before, but maybe I'm tripping, I don't know. Anyways, now they do. In Toronto, it's just slushy every day that wearing suede outside is just not very ideal. I feel like Uggs are actually just fall boots. So I almost feel like I missed the season for those. If you live somewhere that it doesn't really snow, I literally would eat these the fuck up. I want these boots so badly. The way I have 4 different Uggs to talk about. The next ones that I actually am asking for are the mini chestnuts. I've wanted Uggs like genuinely for three to 4 years. Now they're really back. Like everybody's kind of on the Ugg wave. Last year, a few people had them. The year before that, it was like, you're sick if you had Uggs. All along I knew I would wear them. I'm just like, do I need them? Will they elevate my wardrobe? And then I realized they're fucking Uggs, bro. Like they're not gonna elevate anything. They're just comfortable, okay? So I'm asking for them this year. I'm gonna wear them on every single walk I go on in my neighborhood. Personally, for the minis, I really like the chestnut. I don't know, I just can't get behind any other color. Like even the gray, I just would not really want in the minis. Maybe the gray, but nothing else. Next, if you don't have Ugg slippers, then I don't know what to tell you. Like I got Ugg slippers last year for Christmas. I love them. Honestly, one of my favorite gifts. There's such a variety to choose from. I personally love the ones I have. They're so comfortable. The next thing is Furry Boots. I did talk about this in my last Come Thrift With Me I would love a pair of humongous furry boots. I'll insert some photos, just kind of figuring out where to buy them because I don't necessarily want to go on Amazon and buy a pair. I'm also kind of scared of what they're going to be made out of if I get them on Amazon. And also I just don't want to support Amazon, you know? But I don't know where else to get them because I feel like even getting them off of eBay, if they're new, they're coming from the same place that they'd be coming from on Amazon. But buying furry boots like that used kind of is weird. The next pair of shoes slash boots slash slippers that I'm asking for are the North Face Thermo Mule. Anyways, you've definitely seen them. They're the puffer black slides. They're just the perfect level up from a slipper. I feel like it's super acceptable to wear them out. They're also warm enough to wear out. In Toronto, it's already freezing. And I just don't have any shoe like them. I have two more pairs of shoes to talk about. Next shoes are skateboarding shoes. Again, part of my night routine to go on eBay and just look at all of the skate shoes in hopes I can find a pair in my size. There's so many brands that I'm constantly checking out. You guys know I love the Globe skate shoes, but I feel like they're permanently sold out. I haven't been able to find them online anywhere for the last like 4 months. So the last pair of shoes is Salomon's. I do really like them. I kind of want a tan colorway. I just couldn't find like an exact pair to link that I was 100% satisfied with. They're probably like the last on my list. I like them, but I'm not like dying over them like I am the Sunburst Uggs, the Furry Boots. Under the clothes category, I have one item and it's so random. That's just because I don't know, unless I have, again, an exact link to give somebody to buy me a clothing piece, I'm not gonna put it on my list. And also, I just don't, because I thrift everything. Like, I don't even know how to shop in retail stores anymore, you know? If you watched my vlogs like last year, you probably saw me unbox these in a video. Basically, during lockdown, I just wanted comfortable bras to wear, so I got these kind of on a whim. I feel like I had a gift card, and I ended up loving them. So I have a hot pink, and then I have a green color, but I'm asking for the brown, the white, the black. I don't really care. They're just comfortable and I wear them all the time. I have a couple purses on my list, which I will not be getting. This is what I'm saying. This is kind of like a current favorites for me type, just shit that I want, because I have the Balenciaga City Bag. I've been wanting a Balenciaga City Bag for so long, but the last month I've really been committed to looking. So I've been scouring the internet for my perfect bag. I really want a nude one. I think there's two different nude city bags. One of them has a gold hardware, the other one has like a gunmetal hardware, and I want the gunmetal one. I'm also just like constantly on the hunt for a perfect black shoulder bag. I do not have a black shoulder bag. Like, how am I supposed to wear any of my clothes without a black shoulder bag? I am actually out here struggling, so that needs to happen. But again, I can't really ask for that because I'm just waiting to find it at the thrift store. Next thing is a Telford bag. I actually have mine right next to me. I love my Telford bag, honestly. It took me a while to actually start wearing it after I got it. And now that I wear it all the time. I came over here to film and I put my camera, my microphone, like all my shit in it. It's so big. I have the medium size. A lot of my friends have the small one, so Telford bag. Mine's the silver one, as you guys know if you watch my Telford bag unboxing. Okay, I actually am gonna show you some real examples. I have way too many candles. Over lockdown, I just became obsessed with them, but I wanna share with you my all-time favorite scent, and this is the Voluspa candle in Goji. Why is the name so hard to pronounce, bro? Why couldn't my favorite candle be pine or something? Goji Taroko Orange. You can get these at Anthropologie, Nordstrom. I just want to drink it. Like, every single time I smell it, I'm just like, bitch, get me a straw. This has been my favorite candle for so many years. I think the first time I smelled it, I was like in grade 8, and I've been obsessed with it since then, which is so rare because it's just so easy to get tired of scents and just instantly nauseated by them. It smells fresh, fruity, delicious, refreshing. Like, I just would never get tired of the scent, and that's like saying a lot. I also just took in that the packaging is red and kind of Christmassy, so that's a bonus. And then the other candle is also from Anthropologie, and this is the scent Volcano. This is the scent that they're always burning in the store. They sell it in a variety of different jars because everybody wants it. They're trying to appeal to lots of different people, I guess. So you can get like a matte black one. I got this one last year around Christmas, giving snowflake, okay? But yeah, I love this candle. I don't know, like, is this a candle haul? Okay, I'd be lying if I didn't say the next gift was honestly top of my list. Basically, my mom gave me a stuffed animal like 2 months ago, and it's literally made for the best night's sleep ever. Who's not trying to hold like a fluffy thing while they sleep? you know? So I feel like stuffed animals are extremely underrated. As if I ever thought that that would come out of my mouth. Don't unsubscribe, okay? I was at Yorkdale like a month ago and I was looking in Pottery Barn, I think, and I saw these stuffed animals called jelly cats. And what they are is just extremely velvety, soft stuffed animals. And they have the cutest stuffed animals ever. And unfortunately, I have to actually ask for it. I feel like it's the kind of gift that if you're just given, it's better. But I'm like, no, I know which one I want. Actually, I'm kind of marketing it like it's room decor, but it's really just for me to sleep at night, okay? So the first one that I really like is this white bunny. It has little like pink details, little pink ears. I can just see it sitting on my pillow, perched. I love it. And then the other one I'm asking for is a classic teddy bear, but it's like laying down and its arms and legs are just so flimsy. Like, bitch, who does not want to receive that under the Christmas tree? You know what I mean? So I'm kind of leaving it up to the gift giver to choose which one to get me, okay? The bunny would be so cute on my all white bed, you know? And then the bear would also be so cute. That's probably what I would be most excited to receive, to be honest. So yeah, I'm also just kind of realizing whenever someone asks me for my Christmas list, like in my family, I'm just gonna send them a link to this video. The last two things I have on my list are magazines, fashion magazines. I just want like huge editorial fashion magazines, W magazine, any Japanese magazines, European magazines. There's a magazine store right by my house. I feel like I'm actually only asking for this from my mom because she knows what I want. And then the last thing is Tiffany & Co. bracelet slash necklace. I'm not actually asking for this because I'm not gonna get it. I have this bracelet, if you're a real one. You know, I thrifted it for $14 and I don't think it's real, but nonetheless. Okay guys, those are all of the gift ideas I have. Let me actually double check. Even if it isn't, like, bitch, wrap it up, wrap it up. Those are all of my gift ideas for you guys slash things that I'm asking for. Again, like, I obviously don't expect to get all this shit, you know? And I feel like people, like, if you're hating on a wish list, the person doesn't even have the items yet. Like, watch me do a Christmas haul and I'm like, so I got the jelly cat, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was very delighted to be doing a sit down video because, as I said, I just haven't done one in a minute. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I love that I wait till the end of the video to say that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.